Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to show you a simple yet powerful trick that can save you time. How to add your Google Sheets file directly to your Android home screen. It's quick, easy, and keeps important files just one tap away. First, open the Google Sheets app on your Android device. Next, locate the file you want to add to your home screen. Then tap the three dots next to the file name. After that, from the drop-down list, select Add to Home Screen. Now, a confirmation prompt will appear. Finally, click the Add button to place the shortcut directly on your home screen. You can now access that sheet instantly without having to open the app and search for it every time. That's all for today. This method is a great way to boost your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.